Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. This is CoinGecko page and here you can see all crypto market is in red. Some coins are in green but mostly are in red. Let me please show you what will be the next target of Bitcoin and Ethereum according to the technical analysis. Let's dive into the content right now. This is the Bitcoin USD 4 hour Bybit chart, and these red lines are resistance levels for the Bitcoin, and these green levels are support lines for the Bitcoin. These green lines are support levels for the Bitcoin. Here you can see Bitcoin bounced back from $50,500 price level, and after that it is trying to break this horizontal resistance which is at $53,600 to $54,000 level in between. This is the major resistance for the Bitcoin right now. If Bitcoin break this upside resistance, in that case Bitcoin will go up. Here you can see. This is sorry for that. Here you can see. This is complete a cycle. This is like a cup, and after that it will, I think, create handle like this. But I am not sure until Bitcoin break $55,000 level, $54,700 to $55,000 level. In that case, Bitcoin market will go up. Otherwise, it will move like this. Maybe it will reject it from that zone, and after that, maybe it will go to hit this zone, and after that, it will go down. And after that, it will go down. It is currently in this descending channel, and this is the lower part of the lower trend line of descending triangle is at $50,100 level. Maybe it will go to touch this level, $50,100 or $50,400, $300 level, and after that it will go up. But I think until it cross $55,000 level, I think it is now in downtrend until it cross 55,000. Once it cross $55,000 level, then in that case definitely it will go up. Maybe it will go move like this. Let me please remove this. Maybe it will move like this. Once it break this upside resistance resistance level, and once it break this uptrend line, in that case it will go up. In that case, what will be our targets? In that case our target will be like this. 61,000 or 61,900 is our first target in that case, and our second target will be 64,000. But all eyes are on this level. This is very, very crucial level. Once Bitcoin break $54,600 to $55,000 resistance, in that case definitely it will go up. Otherwise, maybe it will move like this, and here you can see maybe it move like this. Maybe it will go up, and after that it will retest this horizontal resistance, which will become support zone for the Bitcoin after crossing, and after that it will maybe move like this. This is the current scenario. But if Bitcoin fails to break this horizontal resistance, which is in between $54,600 to $55,000 level, in that case maybe it will move like this. Maybe. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon. Here you can see EMA ribbon is currently at that exact point where this horizontal resistance is, in between $53,500 to $55,200 level. This is very, very crucial area. This red box is horizontal resistance. It begins from 53,500 to $55,000. These are very important levels. First, this red box, which is horizontal resistance, and then second is this 55,000 EMA ribbon. Once Bitcoin break these resistances, in that case, it will go up and hitting this 57,000. Definitely, I think so. It will go down to retest this zone again, and after that, it will move towards the upside. In that case, our target will be this. First target will be 62,000, where is upside resistance, and second target will be this. In that case, but if Bitcoin fails to break these resistances, let me please show you the volume and moving average, and let me please hide the EMA ribbon. Here you can see currently very less volume in this chart, I think so, and we want that kind of candles, that kind of big red candles or that kind of green candles to move for fast move for the Bitcoin. And this line is the EMA moving average 200 candles line, and here you can see Bitcoin is struggling to break this line. This is very key area. Let me please show you. Very key area, very important area, because 200 EMA line is here, upside resistance box is here, EMA ribbon is here, and that is why this area is very important. This area is very important. Once Bitcoin break this with high candles, with strong candles like this green candle, this green candle, this green candles, in that case, these I think Bitcoin will follow this. Otherwise, maybe after rejection, Bitcoin may be down to maybe move like this, maybe like this. Okay. And these are the targets. All eyes are on this zone. Once Bitcoin break this EMA ribbon, upside resistance box, and upside resistance, which is at begins from $53,500 to $55,000 level. Once Bitcoin break this and break this EMA ribbon, after that I will open my new trade, and I will show you. And if you want to trade on Binance Exchange or on Bybit Exchange, then please go to in this video's description, where you can get the link of the Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds to create. And if you want to trade on Bybit Exchange, then this is the Bybit link. Just click on this link and create your account. And friends, please keep supporting me, and please do remember, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is very risky, very volatile. I will not responsible any of your loss. This video is just for informational purpose only. And let's dive into the Ethereum chart. What is in the Ethereum chart? Let me please show you. Let me please hide this once. This is the chart. Here you can see. Let me please hide the volume right now. This is the Ethereum 4-hour Bybit chart, and Ethereum pullback from that zone, which is $1,540. These green lines are the support lines for the Ethereum. Please note down these lines, these areas, and these red lines are the resistance area for the Ethereum. Ethereum is currently struggling to break this horizontal resistance, which is at $1,640 to $1,617, you can say. This red box is very important. Once Ethereum break this horizontal resistance, in that case, it will follow the structure like this, I think so. After that, it will go to hit this upside trend line. This upside trend line, Ethereum should have to break for further movement, to continue movement for upside. This upside resistance line is very important. It should have to break by the Bitcoin, by the Ethereum, and after that it will go down to retest this and this area, and after that definitely it will go up. But until until now we are in unfortunately in downtrend. Once Ethereum break this horizontal resistance with healthy candles, let me please show you the volume. Currently there is very less volume in this chart, and let me please show you the EMA ribbon. Here you can see upside resistance, upside EMA ribbon, both are at that point, which is 1650 to $1710. Once Ethereum break this range and close overly candle above these zones, in that case Ethereum will go up. But first zone is 1617. Ethereum should have to break $1670, and after that it should have to break $1710 with overly candle closing with high volume. Currently there is very less volume in the chart. In that case Ethereum will follow this structure. Ethereum will go up, and after that it will go down to retest this, and after that it will go to hit this zone. In that case, our first target will be this zone. Once Ethereum break upside resistance, which is at $1670, and upside EMA ribbon, which is at $1710, after the and close overly candle above this zone, in that case Ethereum will ready to hit this $1950 will over mark, will over maybe is our target. And until maybe if it rejected from this zone, maybe we may see move like this. Maybe Ethereum will go down to hit this zone again, $1,540, and maybe, and if Ethereum break this, then in that case 1430, and these are the levels you can note down. These are the levels you can note down. Let me please show you the moving average. Here you can see Ethereum is very far away from this 200 moving average, and it is now currently is at $1,627. For upside movement, these are the resistances. Let me please show you. These are three resistances for the Ethereum. Let me please zoom this. After that you will see it clearly. Here you can see. For upside movement, Ethereum should have to break this red box resistance level, which is $1,650, and after that it should have to break this $1,710, and moving average is currently is at $1,695. You can say 1650 to 1710. This is the crucial area for the Ethereum. Once Ethereum break this area, let me please tell you again, $1,650 to $1,710. This is the main key area. Once Ethereum break $1,710 and close overly candle above this, in that case definitely it will go up to hit this. Otherwise it will go down to hit 1540 again and 1437. These are the targets. And friends, please keep supporting me. Please thumbs up the like button right now. And if you want to trade on Binance Exchange or Bybit Exchange, then please go to in this video description, where you can get the link of Bybit Exchange and Binance Exchange. Thanks for the watching, friends. Take care.